Today I'm going to show you one of the coolest feature introduced in Playwright version 1.59, that is Screencast API. You see here, so they have released a new version. One of the feature is Screencast. It has more features, but today I'm going to tell you about Screencast feature. So it is almost maybe similar to the video recording which it is doing, but additionally it is going to provide some more information in the video whatever it is recording. It's like I can say screencast is not just a video recording. It allows you to create a structured like presentation style recording of your test execution. Okay, let me just quickly walk through the code so that you will get a better understanding what I'm talking about. If I just go here, so this is my Playwright framework which I have, and this is a demo script which I have taken. So this is a normal script, but I have added couple more commands which will be useful for recording this video with the screencast and all the steps. The first step which I have done is the screencast.start. So before that, you make sure you have 1.59 as your Playwright version. So in that version only we have these features. So basically here I start a screencast using this screencast.start, and you can give the path where you want to store this particular video, and it is the extension you need to give is webm. And then this show actions, basically whenever the script is executing, it is going to tell which actions are recording. So where you want to show, you want to show it on the top right or top bottom or top left or like that. It has an option, but I gave it to top right so that it's easy to see where the actions are happening. And then this chapter is nothing but a step basically. So whenever before it is executing the step, it will show you, okay, this entering valid credential login step like that. So this helps to divide the test into meaningful steps like login step, verification step, and then add to cart step. Okay. Instead of just watching the video, raw video, you can get the structured flow of what is the test is doing basically. That is the advantage of this screencast. Okay. Now let me run this particular test and see what happens. I'm running this one. Yeah. So if you see, it launches the browser normally, and then see, you can see that login step, entering valid credentials. So it is entering, and top right corner you can see that those actions are typed here. Maybe, yeah, click, fill, like that. It is happening. Yeah, and it is done. So okay, let me just show you the report. This is a normal report only again, so it will give all the steps. Additionally, the video is there, but this video is different from whatever the normal video we have. See, you can see that on the right side, you can see the actions are shown here, steps are shown here. So let me show where it is exactly stored, so that, see, it is stored here. So let me try to play it in a slow mode so that you can see. We do this speed, let me put it in 0.5. Okay, I'll play it again. You can see that login step is nothing but whatever I have given here. This is the showChapter, so it is showing that. And then the moment it is entering here, you can see on the top right corner it is saying fill secret, click that one, verification step, all this like visual representation of what it is doing, so you can see that this part is happening. Okay, so that is the advantage of this screencast. And then so here is an option that you can in the Playwright configuration you can set it up whether you want this every time or only on the failure. So if you want to save your space, memory and everything, so you just use it only retain on failure. Whenever there is a failure, then only this will capture the screencast. Otherwise, it will not capture the screencast. Okay. So, and you might have one question. Let's say I'm adding this show chapter, screencast and everything. So will it affect my execution speed? Yes, definitely. It will affect your execution speed by it's an ignorable time. It is not considerable time actually. So you can see the difference maybe 1 or 2 seconds. If your script execution are very less, so then there will be no problem. If you are running long run test cases, then you might see a more difference in the or more delay in your execution speed. Okay, again, there is some, what are the advantage of this? Why I have to adopt this one? So basically, first of all, debugging. Instead of reading the logs, you can visually see what happened. Basically, whether this step is done or not, this step is done or not, you can see it visually. And second, when you are giving demos to your clients or your top level management, you can create ready to share videos so that you can share it to your stakeholders so that they'll also understand what step is happening and everything. Yeah, I think these are some of the advantages which we can do with this one. Yeah, that's it for this demo. Thanks for watching.